July just started. That means you have exactly 6 months until the year ends. And your bank account could look totally different by then. You get one shot to reset your finances before New Year's. And it all starts with 6 habits. Simple, proven, and used by people who broke out of the paycheck to paycheck trap. Most people stay stuck. But those who change for good, they almost always start with the same core moves. If money stress keeps you up at night, this could be the roadmap you've been needing. And habit number 1. It's the one nobody talks about, but it quietly builds wealth where others burn out. Stick with me. By December, your financial life might not even look the same. You can't fix what you can't see. Most people feel broke, but when asked where their money goes, they can't explain. Truth is, the average person leaks $300 a month without realizing it. Subscriptions, snacks, takeout, late-night Amazon scrolls. It adds up. And no, you don't need a fancy app. A $1 notebook and a pen can turn your wallet into a forensic file. This isn't about guilt. It's about financial awareness. Once you see the pattern, your brain rewires. Because when you finally track your money, you start controlling it. This is the habit most skip. But the ones who change, they never skip this one. Now that you see where it's going, how do you stop it from slipping through your fingers? Habit number 2. Automate before you touch it. Your willpower isn't the problem. Your system is. People who automate savings are twice as likely to hit their financial goals. It's not about being good with money. It's about being one step ahead of yourself. Picture this. $50 disappears from your checking account every Friday, straight into savings. You don't even notice it. That's not discipline, that's design. And if $50 feels like too much, try $10 a week. That's $520 per year with zero effort. It adds up fast. Because when saving becomes automatic, it stops feeling optional, and your future self will thank you. Now here's the real question. What if you're barely earning enough to save anything at all? Habit number 3. Learn one skill that makes money. You can go from $0 to $30 an hour in under 6 months. No degree required. Think freelancing, editing, writing, social media, design. Pick one skill. Go deep. Not 10. 70% of freelancers started with 0 experience. What made the difference? Consistency. Every hour you study, practice, or create is an hour you pull yourself out of fear. This isn't about gig apps. It's about ownership. Skills beat side hustles because skills scale. You don't need another job. You need leverage. And once the money starts coming in, here's the next trap. How do you stop it from disappearing just as fast? Habit number 4. Freeze your lifestyle creep. Most people earn more and spend more. That's why they stay stuck. Get a raise. Buy a new phone. Sign up for 3 new subscriptions. Still broke. Wealth isn't built by income. It's built by what you don't spend. Without control, more money just means bigger mistakes. You don't need a nicer car. You need quiet nights and no credit card fear. Want to feel rich? Don't upgrade your life. Upgrade your peace of mind. This one choice can put you years ahead of people making 2 times your salary. Because if your costs stay flat, your savings climb fast. But there's still one thing that drains peace more than spending. What about the weight of debt dragging everything down? Habit number 5. Destroy your most expensive enemy, debt. Every dollar of interest is a dollar stolen from your future. That $3,000 credit card balance? Pay minimums, and you could spend $6,000 plus over time. And it's not just money. It's stress, shame, pressure. Debt keeps you from sleeping well, thinking clearly, dreaming big. One smart move, like a 0% balance transfer or snowball strategy, can save you thousands. You don't have to be debt-free overnight. You just need to move with intention, because you can't sprint toward wealth with weights on your ankles. Clear the path, lighten the load, and once you've tracked, saved, earned, and cut the chains of debt, there's still one final habit that quietly separates the stuck from the free. Ready for habit number 6. Track your money like it's a crime scene. Build a system, not a shortcut. Goals fade, but systems stick. Motivation comes and goes. But systems don't care how you feel. They just work. Here's the truth. People who follow simple checklists and weekly reviews consistently outperform those chasing hype. You don't need complexity. You need consistency. Set a 10-minute weekly money check-in. Look at what came in, what went out, what's next. That one small ritual, it can change your entire year, because systems don't just help you save money, they reshape who you become. It's July now, but by December, your money story could read like a different person wrote it. Are you ready to become that person? In 6 months, you can break cycles your family's been stuck in for decades. These 6 habits aren't hacks. They're tools for life design. Start today with these habits, then subscribe. I'll walk you through the rest. Comment below. What's your financial goal by December 31st?